So assuming this is your expa, so you just come basically to your profile, then you click on settings first. When you first check on this notification, you just save changes. Just have to make sure all these things are checked. Then you come to your profile. So when you come to your profile, you come under details. So under details, you're able to create your AIESEC email. So you just click here and then you give your username. For example, I prefer Atire. I hope it's there. And I click on agree. Then I click on continue. So your request has been sent. Please contact your MCAB. Instructions will be sent here and you just say okay to your email. So probably you'll have contact your our MCAB, and yeah, you'll be able actually to be good. So as you can see, they have redirected me to the expert acceptable usage, so I can just accept to the usage policy. So after doing that, it's an automatic thing. So let me just go back to my profile and check if it has changed yet. Yeah, I can see that the request is pending and waiting for the MCB approval. So ideally, that's how you can create your AIESEC email. So if I went to my email, I would be able to actually see if there are more instructions. So you just have to wait maybe a few minutes and you will have your instructions. Also, feel free to reach out to your lead. Basically, this could be LCVP who is in charge of this to make sure that you have actually this status changed approval. Thank you so much.